back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. First off, I want to say I hope everybody fares well through this incoming hurricane, and thank you everybody for asking about Ernie. He already got a text from his airline saying that his flight is most likely going to be affected, so he's not going to come home, which means he won't be there on Friday, for those of you that are going to join me. And I'm thinking that the meet and greet might not go well because of the weather, so bummer. Anyways, I'm still going to be there, so if anything, I'll do some shopping. Okay, so we've got lots to do today. I'm going to get that bathroom painted today, and I woke up to a very sad situation. I woke up to a warm fridge. Everything in the fridge is warm and gone and bad. The freezer, everything's defrosted. Oh my gosh. So I just ordered a new fridge online. I knew the one that I wanted to get eventually one day when this one broke down. Today was the day. So I just ordered it, and I ordered it from a local place here near me that had stock and could get it to me ASAP. Everybody else was saying next week. This particular company had $600 off and could get it to me as early as Thursday, possibly Friday. But I told him Friday is not a good day, so I'm waiting for him to message me to tell me that they can do it on Thursday. So I need to get this fridge cleaned out and throw everything away, and it's gonna hurt my heart. It's gonna hurt my heart really bad. It's cold enough, it's not cold. It's cool enough to where it's keeping my creamer for my coffee cool. So it's not like ice cold. So I'm not worried about that, but I won't eat anything out of there at all. So that means eating out until I get my fridge, and then I can go grocery shopping again. So I can't cook for you guys. So thank you for the prayers for my grandson. I shared at the end of the video that he in fact just had tummy issues. Good news, he's fine. Thank you. I know it's the way I film and edit. I asked for prayers, and at the end I said he's fine. It's still nice to ask for prayers. It's just something that I asked for. And when you guys ask me to pray for you, I either stop and pray in the moment or I type a prayer out to you. I used to be the person, maybe you too, that would say, I will pray for you, and then I never prayed because I would forget. So I try and make it a habit now when somebody says, can you pray for me, to stop in that moment and pray. So thank you. Anyways, and so that's why I asked for prayer, because it's just, I just assume everybody does what I do. Anyways, so I want to get that bathroom painted, so I'm going to do that. I got to get this fridge cleaned out and throw everything away. It's only Tuesday, and trash day isn't until Friday, so that's going to stink up the trash can pretty bad, but I got to do what I got to do. I want to get it cleaned out. They're going to haul it away and install the new one for me on Thursday. So anyways, I had a full house yesterday. I kind of left you guys hanging. The kids got here I was up until very late editing the video you guys saw yesterday because the kids and everybody, my neighbor came. I asked her to send her daughter to come help me with the kids. My granddaughter loves Mia, so she came over, and I had help with him, and then everybody was here until about 9:30. And I immediately got to editing my video. I stayed up late to get the dishwasher loaded, so I've got to unload that. I washed some pans, and then I have some more dishes in the sink that I rinsed out that need to be loaded into the dishwasher. First thing that I want to do is get this installed. I purchased this on Amazon. I will link it. But what I like about this is it has the little hooks for your scrunchies or washcloths, and then a razor can hang, and if you're not going to use these for scrunchies, a razor will hang there. Let's go put the adhesive on the wall so we can get that starting to dry. When you do this, it's really important to make sure where you're going to put it. It's going to stay. It's pretty sleek this way. Actually, I think I'll put it down on this lower wall. I think I just discovered how clean alcohol makes things. That's the grout. that appears to be clean until I went over it with alcohol. And I just scrubbed the shower yesterday. So now I want to do all my grout. I got the directions. So we're supposed to put the two-sided tape here, 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 and here. And then the silicone on here. I have been wanting to get one of those since we moved into this house. I can't believe it took me so long. Anyways, I'll have it linked for you guys. It's either in the shop button or it's in the description. Either way, it'll be linked in this video. So I'm just going to get this room painted. I figured I was in here already. Just go ahead and do the bathroom stuff. So we're going to get this room painted. I love this color. It's Sweater Weather by Sherwin-Williams, and it is the perfect grayish. And it gives me all the Restoration Hardware vibes. It's like a beautiful color and perfect for a bathroom. I love it. So I wanted to start in the commode room because I want to paint the whole bathroom, but I'm starting in here because, in my opinion, it's the most difficult room to paint because it's so small and the ceilings are really tall. It's hard to maneuver yourself and get the ladder all around and all that kind of stuff. So... But the funny thing about that is, as soon as I got those, the back wall, like the corners done, I was like, wow, it really shows the height of this room, like how tall it really is. So it really just gave it a lot of a height that just it made it appear bigger. That's what I'm trying to say. Made it appear bigger. So I love it. And I just wanted to warm the space up, and I wanted a place to put toilet paper and, you know, just decorate it and cozy it up. So first step is getting it painted. And then I believe I'm going to use the same exact color, but just in a shinier sheen because it's a bathroom in the rest of the area. So it should go pretty quickly, but I'm not doing the rest of the bathroom today, just the commode room. We're concentrating on that and getting that knocked out and getting that done. So I love to do these little projects that I'm perfectly capable of doing these things on my own and without Ernie. Of course, is it easier with him? Absolutely. But I really like to knock these things out and then have him come home and see, you know, like, surprise, although he's not going to come home and see it as a surprise. He's watching it with you guys. I didn't even tell him I was doing this. I'm just doing it because I just want to get it done. And it's making me feel better. Plus, like, you know, when the grandkids spend the night, some of them sleep in our bedroom on the air mattress. Well, not anymore now that we have that sofa in there, but we would put an air mattress, and so their little fingerprints are on the walls from when they took showers, and, you know, they go potty and all that stuff, and this flat paint. And the reason why the builders use flat paint in new homes is because flat paint doesn't show any imperfections. And as soon as you put a sheen on your walls, all the imperfections come out. So I did find a couple, not bad, but I got it done. I'm really happy that I got this done today. It makes my heart happy. Okay, I got it all painted. Looks so good. Those blotches are holidays that I just went over. I'm going to let it do some more. Oh, I got one right there now I need to do. I'm going to let it dry some more, and then I'm going to come back and do some touch-up and then clean up my mess and get to decorating. I am not the neatest when it comes to painting. I never tape anything off. Well, rarely do I tape anything off. If I get it on the baseboard, I just keep a wet washcloth and I just keep wiping it off because paint is wet and you can wipe it off, so you don't have to worry about that. Pretty darn good at cutting in if I do say so myself. However, I had the little tray on a paper towel and some paint spilled, and I just kept tracking it all over the tile. So I didn't worry about it. I just used a stainless steel, one of those stainless steel scrubbers, and it came right off. I got some multi-purpose cleaner, sprayed it on there, scrubbed it right off, came up with a washcloth, the tiles good as new, the toilet's good as new, everything got clean. But I just wanted to get my mess cleaned up. I hate when I do projects and I don't put everything away in the moment where it belongs, because then it just lingers and lingers and lingers. And so when I do projects now, I'm pretty good about putting everything away right away. I just take the time to do it and get it done. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I'm so famous. You can even ask Ernie for doing a project, and I just leave a pile of all my stuff. You're usually tired, but yeah, that's quite a mess. But look how quickly the paint is coming up with that stainless steel pad. It just comes right up. It's no big deal. Also, it's not super dry because I did just paint, but comes right up, no big deal. Got it all clean. That color is gorgeous. You get a good shot of what it looks like from here next to the white. It just is so perfect for a bathroom. I love it. Sweater Weather by Sherwin-Williams. I just love it so much. But anyways, so yeah, I'm famous for taking everything out and not putting it back. Not today. Today I put everything away. That way I can enjoy my project. I seem to enjoy them more when I do a cleanup after. Floor looks good. Walls look good. We're gonna let this cure before I do any decorating because it's a small room. And I also need to make sure that I see like wet streaks still. So I need to let this dry so I can fix the holidays before I move forward. But it looks good and I'm so happy that's over. So good to be entering into the season where we're getting rain. This is when, it's like our second flush in our gardens. And I love it. So everything is getting a good soaking, and I love it. It's so cozy. What better weather to do a home project in? So now I'm going to go ahead and get the dishwasher unloaded and reloaded. You can see there in the sink, I rinsed everything that didn't fit last night. I was tired. I could have washed them by hand, but I figured I would just wait and reload the dishwasher in the morning. It's not really morning anymore. I think it's probably like 11-ish. I'm not sure. I was waiting for Amazon delivery for the bathroom, little commode room makeover, and I went to go put the blender away and the lid was spilled a bunch of water, so I threw the towel on the ground to take care of that. But yeah, it's nice to have this weather. We're finally turning a corner, I think, but I'm not holding my breath because we are entering the 70s, and that's what I see moving forward, but that could change tomorrow. That could all change tomorrow. So I ended up not emptying the fridge in this video because they are coming on Thursday, so I figured I'd wait until the next day to empty it and get everything thrown out. That's one less day. Everything sits in the trash can and rots away. I think I'm having a mental block of throwing a whole refrigerator and freezer of food away. It's really freaking me out to do that, but it's going to be so expensive to replace everything. I'm so sad, but c'est la vie, right? Anyways, just finishing cleanup. I'm going to give it a quick vacuum because that is one thing I did not do last night after everybody left. I really need to mop my floors, but we'll get to that eventually. I'm just happy to have everything put back where it goes and the dishes clean. Guys, that's going to do it for today. I'm still waiting for my stuff to come in, and I want to give that bathroom some time, a few hours to cure. It just started raining. We have a storm. We have storms all week, actually, but it's still so warm in the 70s. I want it to be cold and raining. Anyways, that is going to do it. That's all I have time for today, but come back tomorrow and we will get that bathroom complete. Thanks for staying until the end, guys. I appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.